In today's video, I'll show you how to get free PayPal money by simply opening an email, which is one of the most basic ways to make money online. Receiving tens of thousands of dollars in our PayPal account is a daily fantasy for most of us. But people from all over the world may cash out their PayPal winnings on this site. This is undeniably effective. You don't need any prior experience or money to do this, and you don't even need a credit card. To get started, all you need is an internet-connected smartphone or PC. You can virtually do so from anywhere on the earth. In this video, I'll show you precisely how to do it so you can start making hundreds of dollars every day. Please leave a comment below, as I am from this country, before I explain how you can actually accomplish this. That way, I'll be able to tell you where you're from, and as a result, I'll be able to make sure that every video I do in the future is for you. So tell us about your nation in the comment section below. Don't forget that I'll be giving you exclusive extra advice that will help you earn double or even triple what others are earning as a consequence. Make sure to watch the video all the way through. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. So, do you have an email account? And do you check it on a regular basis? Checking your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, AOL Mail, and other comparable services comes to mind. If you answered yes, you're in luck, because what I'm about to teach you will enable you to make anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 simply by opening and reading emails. There are no tough stages, no experience requirements, and no hoops to clear. It's as simple as clicking open, reading the emails, and earning money. You'll earn more money if you read more emails. If you stick with me until the conclusion of this video, I'll teach you a few more incredible tactics that will help you generate 3 times as much money as the average person. These are some of the features of the website. First and foremost, you will receive daily sponsored email in your inbox. Then, there's the speedy payment processing, which takes only 24 hours. They also have a modest payout limit of $15, which means you can start cashing out your winnings once you reach that amount. Joining is free, and if you activate your account, you'll receive a $3 welcome bonus. Daily paid surveys could help you earn some extra money. I'd like you to go to paidtoreademail.com for the first stage. Okay, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and get the $3 welcome bonus. So, before hitting the sign up button, you must first choose your gender, then provide your first name, email address, and password. You'll be taken to this page after that, where you'll see, "Thank you, your account is now active." So, your paid to read email account is now live, and the $3 sign up incentive has been applied. As you can see, this account is absolutely fresh. You may see 3 methods to be rewarded for your online actions if you scroll down below. Take paid surveys, for example, where you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1 every survey. All you have to do now is click this button to be directed to this page. As you can see, each completed monetary survey can pay you anywhere from 49 cents to $1.20. As a result, there are 2 main categories. The first is your surveys, to which you have unrestricted access. The second category includes all of these surveys, each of which has only 1 survey. Now, we're not going to spend too much time on that in this video since it's very basic. So once you've completed the surveys, they'll deposit the money directly into your account. Here's an additional tip to help you monetize your earnings on our website, as promised. Now, every time you enter into your account, make sure you complete all of the limited surveys. You can easily make up to $5 by doing so. Following that, you'll have access to an unlimited amount of surveys that pay up to $5 per survey. The best thing is that you can complete surveys on the move using your phone and earn up to $1 for each survey you complete. When you've completed all of the cash surveys, you can go to the cash offers. All you have to do now is click this button to be taken to this page. Under the cash offers section, you can earn 60 cents for surveys, 50 cents for opinion polls, and 50 cents for dinette surveys. This is an additional revenue stream that you can earn with this website. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to the most exciting part of this video, the last income stream. If you liked this video, please like and share it with your friends. If you liked it, please subscribe using that red button and leave a comment down below. It would be fantastic if you like it. Subscribe, switched on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release a fantastic brand new film that may be even wilder than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. So merely opening emails is the final source of money. So all you have to do now is to open the email, read it, and then click the link or image, which will redirect you to a random website as shown here. They may offer you instructions on what to do while on the site, but most of the time you don't have to do anything. Simply stay on the site for at least 30 seconds. Staying for 30 seconds demonstrates that you are not a robot. Basically, you could just scroll up and down to browse the site. The best part is that you can do it on your phone or computer, and your money will be paid to your account within 30 seconds. So right now, I'm going to open another email from the website and follow the link to a random website. I don't have to be concerned with the email substance. All I have to do now is open it and click on the link to go to the random website. As you can see, I'm not required to do anything. I'll just be here for 30 seconds before I can start earning money, which will be put directly into my account. You can verify this by returning to your dashboard. You can see your total cash under Quick Stats. One thing to bear in mind is that you may receive emails from time to time that pay you well. One important thing to know is that all you have to do when visiting a random website is scroll down to the bottom and back up to the top. All you have to do now is wait for the 30 seconds to expire. And the best thing is that they have a unique referral scheme. As you can see, selecting more and clicking Refer Friends takes you to the screen. As a result, you can earn money by introducing your friends. Simply share this website with your family and friends to receive 50% of their total passive earnings. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.